My name is Jonas, and the reason I am doing this video is to let you guys know why I should have this scholarship. My father, here known as Prophet, that my, yeah, my father Prophet's a great man, great father. He's taking care of me, his only son, faithful family.
Wait. You're not the only son. No, you cannot be coming to lie to the people.
What?
That's for the college, right?
Yeah, it's for
Okay. Jonas
Shit.
is not the only son I'm get for a long while of time.
What are you talking about?
Joe, I'm telling people the truth.
That
I'm a good man, but Jonas, that's a mistake. I don't plan to make it, Jonas. You see his mother? You see his mother? You see your mother?
Yeah, that-
Your mother big. Your mother strong. Like a thoroughbred, a bull,
That this is for my scholarship. This is for me to get a scholarship.
You need to be telling people the truth. I got a boy that's I got a little girl syndrome. I'm get I don't know if the baby for me for will Leonette she's in France right now.
I'm gonna stop the recording that. We don't need to be talking about this.
Bon, ou vin la devam, ou m sou telefon nan, ou di ou gen scholarship, ou konen se son douye, mba mèm konen ou tabal nan collège. Bon, di moun yo verite ya.
That I told.
On lok kade, yo vini, blow, you lie for the scholarship. I'm gonna take you to the jail. Yeah. Yo met moun nan prison pou bay manti pou scholarship. E pa petit Maxime nan la. La fè kom ou pa vin mette nan tete la, ti garçon. Abdim la. Yes, I'm sorry. I'm get maybe 7 children, but I take good care. You see Jonas, you see the Jonas right there, he's dear resourceful all the time. I take good care of him. But you know, it's hard. You know, the gasoline. I'm going to the Shell gasoline right there. Or right there by the Kentucky Fried Chicken. It's taking $4.70. $4.70. One gasoline. 1 gallon gasoline. $4.77. I don't know, man. I don't know. Maybe you can do something for that to change some things. But Jonas, good guys, but he's not my only son. That's all I'm coming to tell you, because I don't want the problem on the income tax. I'm getting a lot of children. Joe, vin gade sa pou mwen telefon nan pa vle pousse la. Joe, vin cheke sa pou mwen. Ba konpon. Yon sa boute la. Yon se Facebook. Pourquoi ça? Oh, gat pitit la. Gat une demoiselle. Oh. Tout est Léo, monsieur. I got a little girl syndrome.